Hi guys! So for this video, magluto tayo ng donut. Yeah, so this time, meron tayong 2 kilong harina. So yung harina po natin is merong 3 klase. First, classic, and third. So yung binili natin is yung second. 2 kilo po yan. And meron tayo ditong yes. So alam niyo na yung yes, ito po ay alsa ng ating bread. And this one is pampabango yung vanilla. And meron tayong mantika para sa ating lulutuin na donut. And meron tayo ditong coconut milk. So yung coconut milk, hindi natin to binili. As in, ako lang po yung nagawa nito. Like, niyog po ito ng fresh. So, fresh coconut po ang ating gamit. So, ito po ang ating kagamitan sa pagluluto. And then, ito po yung ating niyog, coconut milk, and palanggana, and then mantika, and this one ang ating flour. This is my first time na magluto ng ganito, okay? So, hindi naman ako nag-research. Hindi naman kailangan talaga no, na meron kang gabay sa pagluluto. Pwede mo lang yang gawin based sa iyong kakayahan o sa iyong idea. So, let's start! Meron tayong malaking kutsara para sa ating harina. Ay, wait lang. Huwag tayo excited. And then, lagyan natin siya ng ganito. So, ito po ay pang-paalsa ng ating bread. Pampalaki ng ating bread. And ito naman po is pampabango. Ang tawag po natin dito is vanilla. Hindi ko alam kung vanilla flavor or talagang pampabango lang po ito. So, ito na. Meron na tong vanilla. So, next, this one. Ito po, yes. Pampaano ng... Masobraan, bes kayo. Meron na po tayo ditong yes. Tapos, mamas likod ka. Lakat na. Ribabiyaan ka. Uy. So, yes na po yan. Mix lang ng mix. So, after natin lagay ng yes, lagyan ko siya ng sugar. Actually, white sugar po after, but this time, lagyan ko siya ng sugar. So, yung donut po natin is, ano siya, nakababad po yan sa white sugar. So, this time, gusto ko yung laman na matamis. So, ito po yung ating harina. Ay, wait lang. Uy, i-mix din na mayo. Kanang ito, lagput-lagput ah. Atin na kayo. Munang, pinanglan, mas kalado ka ana. Gahi kayo ay.
It's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone, and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody's right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it.
Bread na form na into circle, and yung tatlo merong design, and yung iba pang harina, ito yung ginagawa ko. So, ang gagawin natin is iparest muna sila para sila ay lumaki and then lulutuin na natin. Ito na po ang aking gagamitin, yung malaki kong kagamitan sa pagluluto. Lagyan lang natin siya ng mantika pag once ito po ay mainit na. So, kuha na po tayo. So, yung bread ko is na-form into circle and lulutuin na natin gamit yung mainit na mantika. And once luto na, ito po ay mag-change yung color niya into brown. And this is it. Tcharan! So, color brown na siya. So, ang pangalan po sa amin dito is donut or another term is paniyam. Yeah, so, hindi ito totally na donut na maraming flavor kagaya ng strawberry o yung masasarap na donut. So, ito po ay simple lang na lutuin gamit yung mantika at saka budburan lang natin ng white sugar. So, the white one is sugar. Kailangan na natin sila i-mix. Okay? So, as you can see, super brown niya. Medyo overcooked siya pero super soft naman kainin. So, that's it. Thanks for watching again. Bye-bye everyone.